LemnaTec Academy.
Welcome to the LemnaTec Academy. My name is Markus Jansen. I'm application scientist at LemnaTec. I am a plant biologist with background in plant physiology, plant pathology, and plant phenotyping.
LemnaTec is the global leader in plant phenotyping and has customers all over the world. LemnaTec PhenoAIxpert Pro. The system consists of an imaging cabinet and a computer workstation. PhenoAIxpert Pro is a phenotyping system for potted plants. It has two cameras, one looking top-down onto the plant and a second camera looking horizontally at the plant. It has a turner to rotate the plant in front of the horizontal camera. How to work with PhenoAIxpert Pro. Start the system with the main switch on the right side of the cabinet and start the system's computer. First, place a plant inside the imaging cabinet and put it centrally on the turning unit. The system is made for samples up to 40 cm height. Such samples can be seen with both cameras in focus. Somewhat taller samples can be still seen with the horizontal camera, but they are out of focus for the vertical camera. Getting started with the imaging process. Start the Lambda control software with the icon that is located on the desktop of the computer. In Lambda control, initialize the system by pressing the Initialize System button. Light and camera settings can be done at the computer workstation using the Lambda control software. Settings comprise the lights and the camera exposure. It is also possible to control the turner unit in case that you wish to do more than one side view of your sample. Setting white balance is only required if you see that the images are not properly white balanced. To get a first impression of imaging, press the Perform Test Measurement button. Check the exposure on the test image and do adjustments if necessary. Overexposure must be avoided because this impairs image processing. Slightly underexposed images are fine for processing. It's possible to store previews, however this is not mandatory. Make changes in the settings according to the preview. Each changed setting, also those for the turning unit, must be taken over by the Apply Changes button. Settings for camera, light and the turning unit can be stored as a sensor configuration. One or more sensor configurations can be combined and stored as recording configurations. A combination can be using the two different cameras or using the horizontal cameras with different degrees of turning using the turning unit. To start image recording, we select a stored recording configuration, give in an experiment name and a sample ID. When this is done, we can start the recording. During the recording, the cameras take one or more images inside the cabinet and store the recorded images on the computer system. The automatically stored images are available for image processing. At the end of the image recording, remove the plant from the cabinet. The system is now ready for the next recording. The next sample can be recorded with the same configuration or a new configuration can be set up. After the last recording, shut down the system by pressing the Shutdown System button. Now you can also switch off the computer and the imaging cabinet. What's next? The software packages LemnaExperiment and LemnaGrid are dedicated for processing the images. It is also possible to use machine learning if required. LemnaTec Academy provides training on those software packages. This training ends with a little insight in the application of the phenotyping software package. The LemnaTec phenotyping software package derives phenotypic traits from the images. For instance, length, width and area can be measured, geometrical factors can be determined, such as compactness or eccentricity, and color information can be analyzed. Visit our webpage for more details or contact us directly.